Alright guys, welcome to the Auto Fibonacci's. Once you have it installed, if you choose to remove it, just find it in your studies and then right click and there'll be a delete button there. You can remove it. If you want to change the name of it, just hit the little scroll right here and you can change the name on top. Just make sure that if you are going to make spaces that you do a lower dash because there's no spaces allowed for this, and then stay away from making changing any of these numbers. Once you have that in there, let's show you what's inside. Alright, so the Fibonacci, it kind of stays on the chart for you automatically when it sees that it did like a run. And what it's doing is marking the areas where it might retrace for you automatically before the market might turn around. Like this market is falling, it might hit the 0.382 or it might go down to the 50%, or down to the 618. If you, let's say you don't want to have all these lines, you can always remove them. Like the blue ones, you can always say that not show those plots, and that one will be the top one. Then you got the data, which will be the side one, and the KH will be the bottom one. And just hit OK, and it will remove all that extra lines for you. But it was letting you know that it was marking it from the bottom to the top, and then the other three are right in here. Okay. You can change the colors for them if you like. If let's say you don't want to make it gray, you can make it green. If you want the second line, the 50, to be, I don't know, make that one yellow, and then make the third one red. You can just change the colors for them, and that will give you the colors that you like. Also, if you don't want to see these on the side here because it's going to give you too many numbers, just go back in and tell it to get rid of the bubbles. Don't show the bubble, don't show the title. And what it'll do is, you still want to show the plot or the line will disappear, but you're telling it to remove the bubbles on the side here. See, it took everything off except for where the market's at right now, at 0.888. And look at that, it's hitting that Fibonacci line perfectly where it is. Your system already has the Fibonacci's. This is just something that the computer does it automatically as it sees that something's happening. If you go down here, Thinkorswim already has it over here as the percentage. This is called Fibonacci retracements. So if I were to mark it from the bottom to the top, you'll see that this is one that the computer did automatically, that the software, and it's 0.382, and there it is 3.82, 50, 50%, 0.6818, 0.618. So rather than you having to do this manually every time, it gives you these three right here. These are the standard deviation numbers if you ever wanted to write them down. And if you ever wanted to do that manually, you can always double click on the red or on the Fibonacci itself, and you can change these numbers to match mine if you pause the video if you want to do it manually. That is the standard numbers. Alright, so we'll remove this for right now. And that will show you, what the market is doing. Kind of funny that it just happened to be, just as I'm recording, the Fibonacci lines are right there, and apparently it's respecting the 0.382, where this stock might turn around and keep running up, or it might not. But that's how you use the Fibonacci, the Auto Fibonacci. Okay, guys?